Obamacare markets will not reopen, Trump decides. The move would have made it easier for people who have recently lost jobs to obtain health insurance. The option to reopen markets, in what is known as a special enrollment period, would have made it easier for people who have recently lost jobs or who had already been uninsured to obtain health insurance. The news of the decision was previously reported by Politico. The decision will not prevent Americans who recently lost their jobs from obtaining health insurance if they want it. A special enrollment period would have made it easier for such people to enroll, because it would not require that paperwork. It also would have provided a new option for people who chose not to buy health insurance this year but want it now. 11 states and the District of Columbia have established special enrollment periods to allow people to obtain new insurance coverage. Idaho, which also runs its own marketplace, has decided against a special enrollment period. Governors of several states also asked the administration to grant a special enrollment period, including Republican governors in Arizona and New Hampshire, and Democratic ones in Oregon, Michigan and New Jersey. Even though the White House official described the matter as decided, officials have the capability to establish a special enrollment period at any time. It seems to spread very easily from person to person, especially in homes, hospitals and other confined spaces. The first testing in humans of an experimental vaccine began in mid-March. Such rapid development of a potential vaccine is unprecedented, but even if it is proved safe and effective, it probably will not be available for 12 to 18 months. If there's space, the sick family member should stay in a separate room and use a separate bathroom. Plan 2 weeks of meals if possible. And remember to wipe the handle of the grocery cart with a disinfecting wipe and wash your hands as soon as you get home. Even if you just hang out in a park, rather than go for a jog or a walk, getting some fresh air, and hopefully sunshine, is a good idea. Even if you're retired, having a balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds so that your money keeps up with inflation, or even grows, makes sense.